Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy S25 is on the blacklist. Alright, so we are on the image info page, just like always on this channel, and now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung Galaxy S25. Also, if you don't know how to find the IMEI number of your device, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible options on this site, and also in that video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you want, you can simply look for that. Okay, now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device, and once it's done we need to click on check IMEI. Now as you can see we have our Galaxy S25. Now we need to scroll down. In here we can also read the basic information about our phone, but we need to find the basic checks, and the first option from the top, as you can see, is the Blacklist simple check. So let's click on that. Now click on check blacklist status. Okay, now we need to wait until our order is finished. Okay, and now we have the confirmation that our device is clean. Below we can see our IMEI number, confirmation that device is clean, and below we have the date on which the report was created at. Now we can go also straight to the Blacklist premium check if you want, but remember that if you want to perform the premium check, you need to pay $5, and the time needed for that action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Below you can also see an example how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how when it's clean. So in here we have a comparison how it might look. And now when it comes to the advantages of using the premium version, we can scroll down. And here we have the advantages. So, if your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate and detailed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.